Mandy Rose vs Raquel Gonzalez uko byari bimeze. Mandy Rose vs Raquel Gonzalez for the iconic NXT Women's Championship at the NXT Halloween Havoc Trick or Street Fight. The match became a no disqualification trick or street fight after a brutal battle utilizing steel steps and various weapons. A hooded Dakota Kai made a shocking return, hitting Gonzalez in the back with a shovel. This allowed Mandy Rose to deliver a bicycle knee strike and pin Gonzalez to win her first ever professional wrestling championship. Raquel Gonzalez dominated Iri with a brutal power display, throwing Mandy into the plexiglass and punishing her with steel steps. A masked attacker wearing a hoodie suddenly appeared and smashed Raquel in the back with a shovel. The hooded figure unmasked as returning Dakota Kai, leaving a prone Raquel vulnerable for Mandy Rose to pick up the pinfall and capture her first career title. Mandy Rose defeated Raquel Gonzalez, who is now Raquel Rodriguez, to win her first NXT Women's Championship at Halloween Havoc on the 20th of October 2021 in a chaotic trick or street fight where a mysterious hooded figure revealed as Dakota Kai cost Gonzalez the match. Barakubwira ko Mandy Rose yabashije gutsinda Raquel Gonzalez, ubu ngubu usigaye witwa Raquel Rodriguez, mu mukino wa NXT Women's Championship. Yegukana uwo mukandara akaba ari imikino yabaye muri Halloween Havoc, umukino wari wiswe Trick or Street Fight. Mandy Rose yaje kugera kuri iyo ntsinzi abifashijwemo n'uwitwa Dakota Kai waje yambaye mask ndetse n'umupira, bityo aturuka inyuma akubita Raquel Gonzalez mu mugongo yikubita hasi, bityo Mandy Rose aboneraho guhita amutsinda. Reminding you that in this video they tagged many products such as Mandy Rose, Raquel Rodriguez or Raquel Gonzalez product. Check on them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, recommendation, write the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wakoze kubana nanjye.